So before we start this episode, I just want to do a little shout out to somebody. We were thinking of getting a dog for Bruno for a while now. There was a couple local breeders that we were following, and one of the breeders that we were following, she had basically a house fire, and I think a total of 14 dogs died. There's 4 adult dogs, and the rest were puppies that were, I think, 5 weeks old. So I'm going to put a link down below. So hopefully you guys can it's going to be a GoFundMe to help kind of support them through everything. So I don't know, I recommend donating like $14 just so I think that everyone can do that, and I don't know, we can raise some money for them. So, and maybe we'll get a Rottweiler for Bruno later on, but we'll see. So please donate below, guys. So we're driving to install an invisible fence for the German Shepard that was in my video a couple videos ago. So Bruno will hopefully play with the pup there and do some work while in the process. Good girl, hey. Good girl. I don't know why. No, he is. He's like, how is it? This is. Is someone's house, buddy? Marble bowl, Bruno. You got luxury, man. Getting spoiled. YouTube is spoiling you. You're drinking out of marble. You're too slow, buddy. So slow. What are you doing? I told him to come here. He just leans on you, you know? He doesn't like stand there. He just leans on you.
Hey, come on. Go over there.
Okay, okay, that's enough. Shoves his butt on you, dude. I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you. You sleep funny.